Oh Carolina was the breakthrough hit for Shaggy back in 1993, and the song soared to #1 on the UK charts. Shaggy breaks down the backstory behind that massive hit in our FiWi Culture segment. 33 years ago, you had a monster breakthrough hit, Oh Carolina.
Yeah.
What was the reason for covering Oh Carolina?
I was a young kid in Brooklyn at the time, just loving dancehall. When I got to Brooklyn, it was a melting pot. There are people from Bahamas, Barbados, Haitian people, Trinidadian people. So you have all different styles of music, which was new to me because in Jamaica I just listen to dancehall and reggae and maybe on Sunday country music, you know? So when that started happening to me, I started to get into it as a DJ. I was a selector first, and I started select. And then what I started to do was doing dub plates, because dub plates started get popular, but I couldn't afford the dub plates, so I started DJing myself. And that's what me get into becoming a DJ, as far as I spit lyrics. Then I start DJ for sound system. And the more rude as anything, the more lewd things you sing, people like. I had no idea that an international audience would cater to it so well. And I think it came from, one, the tone of my voice, because I use a different tone. If you listen to Big Up, go, if you're part-time, you're above expense. But Oh Carolina is, Oh Carolina, it's a different tone. I use that tone because I used to sing that cadences in the military. I don't know, but I've been told. Globally, an audience caught on to it. And the rest is history.
Do you recall where the song was recorded?
It was recorded in INS studio in my uniform. Because I used to drive from North Carolina to New York. Because I was in the military at that time. So I was stationed. I drove 9 hours to and 9 hours from every weekend. So I was drive up and I link up. Sting International, who was the producer at the time. And we went to this little place and play at this club called Red Zone. I pick him up, drive him in my car, go up. And I voiced his song. And I was in my uniform and I did it, you know? And I moved just like a squirrel. I said, yo, baby girl, I said, I love how you move your.
Do you recall what the vibe was in the studio while recording the song, seeing that you had a concept of what you actually wanted to do?
No, because it was a freestyle, so I never write it, you know. Because Carolina come bubble for me. Oh, it was just a vibe. It was a vibe. It was just, there was a song called Bedwalk Sensation that they did on the rhythm. Big. Bedwalk Sensation, that's what she get from a guy called Bacha Jet. Big record. And the rhythm out and our rhythm. So I say, yo, I just want to dance out for cuss bad words, so I do that. We never think about big stage and big label or dream. We just have to do something where we can make some dub plate and do 2 shows and pay our rent.
Were you surprised at the success, the heights the song reached?
Yes, 100%. I was on tour with Maxi Priest doing background at the time. And Robert Livingston called me and told me, so we need to come to England. Take me out for the tour, I'm a vex. Maxi showed them full of 90% woman. I get some hot chicken night time. I say, yo, me young and, you know. I'm gonna leave that tour, you mad? Anyway, ended up leaving and it was a massive hit in England. And everywhere I go, people knew who I was.
What kind of doors did the success of Oh Carolina open for you musically?
Oh Carolina was life-changing. Musically, it secured me a deal with Virgin Records for £1 million at that time, which was the most money ever offered to a reggae artist or dancehall artist at that time in the history, in 1993. It's the biggest deal ever. We did it for 2 album firms, and I delivered hits on both albums, Bombastic and Oh Carolina.
All right, Pree Dis Massive. That is how we're going to close the curtains on this week's episode. But before we go, Eddie, which hall are you up on, bro?
Don't know. One and only Chancellor Hall. Big up them.
All right. I'm not up on all. You take me used to go. But big up on yourself. I'm Nalda Addis signing out until next week. Stay safe.